Morning, everyone. So this is day 2 of Complementary Angles. Today is March 25th, 2020. Just a reminder, make sure you copy these notes in your notebook and do the problem at the end of this video. There's going to be 2 worksheets to do. It's a total of 8 problems. It's not a lot, but there's 2 separate worksheets. So make sure that you wait until you see the 2 worksheets, okay? Just a reminder, I want you to take a picture of your work and upload the picture. All of you are doing that magnificently. Like, you guys are awesome, except one student. One student is not taking a picture of it. So make sure you take a picture of it. All right, guys? Okay, but most of you guys are awesome. Hopefully you guys are receiving my feedback. I am checking your answers. So, look out for that. Might not be immediately, but I do check them. All right, so this is 90 degrees, right? So 90-degree angle. If I cut it in half, remember, and I have 2 angles that add up to 90 degrees, that's called complementary, right? So yesterday we did a real basic, and I promised you that today would be, one step harder. Okay, like a million times harder. I'm just kidding. It's not. I mean, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so now we're going to say that this is x plus 20. This angle is x plus 20, and this angle is, let's say, 15 degrees. Okay, so this angle is x plus 20, and this angle is 15. So we set up our equation. So we take this angle, which is x plus 20, plus this second angle, which is just 15, and both those together equals 90 degrees. So kind of like what we learned yesterday. So this angle plus this angle together, add them together, give you 90 degrees. And that's what this is saying right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine these two before we move them to the other side. Combine like terms. 20 plus 15 is 35 plus x equals 90. Okay, so now we go back to what we did yesterday. So I'm going to subtract 35, subtract 35. X equals 55. So 55 degrees would go in there. Okay. So in reality, a little bit step further. We're okay if we get this. A step further would be to plug in this number. So 55 plus 20. So this, yes, x is 55 plus 20. So that's going to equal 75. So this angle's 75, this angle's 55. That's just one step further. I'm okay if you just do this for now. All right, let's do another problem. 90 degrees, perfect 90 degrees. My goodness, look at that straight line right there. Gosh, the talent, I tell you. Okay, let's say that this angle is 68 degrees. This angle is x plus 13 degrees. Okay, so here we have our complementary angles, 2 angles that add up to 90 degrees. So we're going to set up our equation. So this angle right here is 68 degrees plus this angle right here is x plus 13 together gives you 90 degrees. So I put this angle and this angle together and it gives you 90 degrees. So I'm going to add the 2 numbers together. You go on the side and add 68 plus 13. $81. So 81 plus x equals 90 degrees. So we're going to draw our arrows. How do I get rid of this 81? Subtract 81, subtract 81. X equals 9. All right. All right. Okay. All right, let's take it one step further. Can't wait. And draw our bars. complementary angles, 90 degrees. We're going to split it into two angles, which means now it becomes complementary. And we're going to say that this angle on top is 2x plus 40. And this angle at the bottom is 3x. And this is why, ladies and gentlemen, we write equations. All right, let's do this. It's fun. I like this. So 2x plus 40 is this angle. So you just write it down. 2x plus 40 plus your second angle is 3x. And that together gives you 90 degrees because it's complementary. Okay, now you're going to combine like terms. Put your x's together. So I have an x, I have a 2x here, and I have a 3x here, right? 2x plus 3x gives you, that's right, 5x plus 40 equals 90. Okay, now we're going to draw our bars. Now you have to ask yourself, okay, what do you move first? Remember, you want x by itself. So do I move the 5 or the 40? And we move the number that's furthest away. So in this case, we would move the 40. So we're going to subtract 40, subtract 40. So 90 minus 40 is 50 is equal to, we drop this down, 5x. Okay. How do I get rid of that 5? That's right. We're going to divide by 5 on both sides. X equals 10. Feel free to stop, rewind, listen to me do this problem again. It's a lot. I'm hoping that you remember how to solve two-step equations. So we learned that so many months ago. Combining like terms, things like that, all that comes into play in these problems. Okay. Let's do a couple more. It's going to become easier the more we do them. More problems we do, easier it becomes. Scary the first time around. All right. So let's do 2x plus 40 and 2x plus 6. Okay, so let's write an equation. 2x plus 40 plus 2x plus 6 all equals 90 degrees, right? So if I put my numbers together without the variables, that gives me 40 plus 6 is 46. Plus, if I put my variables together, 2x plus 2x, what's 2x plus 2x? 4x, okay? Let's see if this works out. Minus 46 minus 46. Wait, 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4 is equal to 4x. Yay, it worked. So we're going to divide by 4. We're going to divide by 4. In this problem, x is equal to 11. Okay? Let's try to do one more. $48 degrees. And this one's 5x minus 3. Ooh, a minus. Love it. Go ahead and set up your equation. Okay, you should have done that. Now we're going to put our numbers without variables together. So that's 48, but this one's a minus 3. So we have to do 48 minus 3. 48 minus 3 is 45 plus 5x equals 90 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw our bars. And we're going to subtract 45, right? Because we want this to equal 0 on this side. We bring what's left over. We have 5x left over. 90 minus 45 is 45. How do I break up this 5x? It's 5 times x. I'm going to divide by 5, divide by 5. So x equals 9. Are we okay? Let's just do one more. Just so you're awesome. I'm going to give you 2 types of problems to do. Some are pretty easy, straightforward. And then some are like this, a 2-step. 2x plus 3. All right, so set up your equation first. So that's 47 plus 2x plus 3 equals 90 degrees. I'm going to put these numbers together. What's 47 plus 3? That's right. 50 plus 2x is equal to 90 degrees. All right, so I'm going to subtract 50, subtract 50. 90 minus 50 is 40 equals 2x. Now again, if you can do this faster than I am, fantastic. Make sure you check your work. Divide by 2, x equals 20. All right, awesome. Okay, so your assignment for today. All right, let me show you. They're pretty easy. Okay, so this is worksheet 1. Zoom it in. There's going to be 2 worksheets. Can you guys see that one clearly? This one is, that's 23. That's x plus 30. That's 5x. 5x. Maybe I'll take a picture and upload those 2. This is going to be worksheet 2. Let's see what the best angle is. Why is this corner so blurry? In my opinion. 19, 10x plus 1. Worksheet 2. All right. So these are going to require some work, right? So go ahead, do the work in your notebook, and then make sure I can clearly see what x equals. I don't know if you want to circle them so I can, just make sure I can read your answers. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions, just reach out. All right, I'll see you.